Yung sa
Yung Romanov.
Romanov. Okay, alam nyo, litong-lito nga kami noon dun sa Romanov na yan eh. In fact, during the Committee on Justice hearing, I had to explain what the Romanovs are. And kasi madaming hindi nakakaintindi niyan. Ano ba yung Romanov na yan? Sabi ko, yan yung imperial family of Russia that was overthrown and massacred by Lenin, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, without going to the merits, in fact, hindi nga dapat kasama to. Siguro, tingnan na lang natin ang pagkakakilanlan natin sa ating president sa kanilang pamilya. I don't think that anyone would think that these words relating to assassination, massacre, all of that would come from the first family.
So, katang-isip nila yan?
Yun lang po ang naisip
So,
namin.
katang-isip nila yan?
Katang-isip po ng kabilang partido.
Yeah. Okay.
Dahil,
hindi sila mag-imagine.
Wala naman pong napatunayan na may ganong plot sa kanila.